What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We're gonna be drifting today. We got a lot of cool shit.
Hey, look at the fucking cherry, bitch. Yeah, I'm a dime a dozen. All of a sudden, me and my cousin Rich from pressing buttons. Lost in the sauce, yeah, I need a fucking compass. Digging up all these industry plants, their roots were covered in fungus. She asked if she could blow me, I said, bitch, I ain't no trumpet. She then called me a husband, I said, no, bitch, we just fucking. This ain't for discussion, mix the Sprite up with some tussin'. Fuck it, I bust into boots, it's time to kick the bucket. Watch me fade the black behind the marijuana smoke. Sipping color grease, but we up up in the same flow. Screaming blood and murder, doing dumb in my kinfolk.
That's fucking, you're killing it, bro. See, now this is what I wish my car looked like. Like, this motherfucker got everything. This thing's hilarious. I mean, it is a Halloween party, so it makes sense. Ricky Bobby's somewhere around here.